Okay, so now we have another example of complex quadratic equation, and we are going to solve it with the same method of replacing the original value with some other value. But before that replacement comes in, let me write this x as square root of x square minus 4 times square root of x minus 12 is equal to 0. And now if we go for substitution or assumption, then we can say that y is equal to square root of x. And using this replacement, we can write y in place of square root of x, and then there is a square, and then 4 times y minus 12 is equal to 0. So now this equation becomes y square minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0, a simple quadratic equation where we can break the middle term by minus 6y plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. And when we take y as common, it becomes y minus 6. Then we take plus 2 as common, y minus 6 equal to 0. And now we can take y minus 6 as our common factor. So we will be left with y plus 2 is equal to 0. So now one by one, I will be equating these two factors with 0. The first value of y is going to be 6. And from second factor, I get the value of y as y is equal to minus 2. Now, finally, we are going to return these values to that original form where we assumed square root of x equal to y. So the value of y is 6 and square root of x. So we can square both sides. And when we square both sides, we get x equal to 36. So this is the answer. And on the other side, y is equal to root x. So the value of y is replaced as minus 2. So this form tells us when we replace the value of y as minus 2 that square root of x is equal to a negative number. So we know that the square root of any quantity, it cannot result in a negative quantity. So this cannot be our answer, and we will be writing it as which is not valid. So there are no answers from this particular form, but we have one answer of x as 36 from the other value of y. So this is how we can solve this complex quadratic equation, making an assumption and a replacement, and then finally finding the value of the original.
We try to explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.